inherited a WBS file from an old WebBlender website project. This legacy format from the early web design era requires specific handling. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open WebBlender project files for content recovery. This is a pro tip. To prevent future issues with obscure WBS formats, install a quality universal file viewer. We'll revisit my number one choice near the end of this guide. Users encounter .wbs files when they receive a recording of a WebEx online meeting or webinar. Their primary goal is to play back the session to review content, catch up on a missed meeting, or share the proceedings with others who could not attend the live event, requiring the specific WebEx Player. The .wbs format is a proprietary binary container designed by Cisco for its WebEx platform. It encapsulates video, audio, and presentation data streams into a single file, optimized for network streaming and playback within the dedicated WebEx Player, ensuring content integrity and synchronized delivery of all meeting components. The application responsible for generating the WBS file is typically Cisco WebEx Player by Cisco Systems Inc. Windows cannot reliably map the file's internal data paths for extraction. Windows provides a simple playback experience, while editing workflows demand advanced tools. We're checking the integrity of the format. Right-click your WBS file and click Open With. If Cisco WebEx Player is installed, start there. If it's not, try another option. The solution is usually hidden within one of your apps. Let's eliminate the guesswork. Here is a simple explanation of the technical reasons why the WBS file is refusing to open. First, opening in WebBlender. Install WebBlender from Tech4Learning if available, or check Education Software Archives for legacy installations. Use File then Open Project to load the WBS file with all pages, graphics, and content intact. WebBlender development has slowed, but the software remains functional on supported operating systems for accessing existing projects. Next, extracting content. For content recovery without WebBlender, try renaming WBS to zip and extracting with archive utilities, since some versions use zip-based packaging. Browse extracted contents for HTML images and text files representing original web content. This approach enables manual content extraction even when WebBlender software is unavailable. Finally, migrating to modern tools. For ongoing web work, migrate content from WBS files to modern platforms like WordPress, Wix, or Google Sites. Manually copy text content to new platforms, and re-upload images. While automated migration is unavailable, preserving educational content in modern web platforms ensures continued accessibility and updated security for student and teacher resources. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format-agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.